Here in this programming screencast, I'll show you how can you plot the estimates made by the crowd. As I said, first of all you have to import the matplotlib library. So let us import that. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Here is the estimates array that has been given to us. So I'll just plot this array. So let us do that. plt dot plot. I'll just write the estimates array here. So let us plot that. Sorry, it is matplotlib. So as I said, if we don't give the x values, Python generates the x values on its own. So since we don't need any sort of x or y values here, we just want to show the estimates here. So what I'll do here is I'll take this estimates array in the x axis, and for y axis I'll keep it constant. I'll keep constant y values for all these estimates. I repeat, I'll keep constant y values for all the estimates. For that I have to create another array. For example, another list. I'll create like y. So for I in range length of estimates, I'll just append any constant value here. For example, I'll take 5. So here we need to plot estimates that will be taken in the x-axis, then we'll take y. So let us run this program now. As you can see, we have a straight line here, but we want to show the estimates. These are discrete values, not continuous. So I'll just use r o here or r dash dash. I'll prefer to use r dash dash. R dash dash, in the previous programming screencast I've explained r dash dash stands for red dashed lines. So let us run it again. So we have the estimates in the form of dashed lines, red dashed lines. So now I want to plot the mean and the median of all the estimates so that I can get to know that which value is nearer to the actual value. So for that, as it has been explained in the previous programming screencast, that we have to trim the sample. We have to trim the 10% smallest and 10% largest values. So let us do that. I'll just first of all sort the estimates. Estimates dot sort. That will arrange the elements in the ascending order. After that, I have to decide a trim value, that is 10% in our case. So I'll just say trim value is equal to 0.1 into length of estimates. Length of estimates. So now we also have to typecast it to int. So I'll just do that. Int. Now let us trim the values. So now estimates is equal to estimates trimmed values colon. It will trim the values from the estimates list. We also have to trim the values again. So let us do that. It will will start from the trimmed value. In trimmed value in our case is 7, so it will start from 7 and it will go till length of estimates minus TV. So I'll just write colon here, length of estimates minus TV. So the array, the sample that has been obtained is from TV, from the trimmed value to length of estimates minus TV. This has already been explained in the previous programming screencast. So we are done with the Y array. We are also done with the estimates array, the trimmed estimates array. So now let us plot that, the trimmed estimates array. So there is some error. Let us look at this. X and Y must have same first dimension. Okay, now we have to append according to the new length of estimates. Please note that. So I'll append in Y according to the new length of estimates. Please note that the length of estimates has changed. So we have to append in Y according to the new length of estimates. So let us do that. So we have another graph which is showing the estimates. Please observe that in the previous graph we had till 2000, but in the new graph we have till 700 because we have trimmed the values. We have trimmed the 10% smallest as well as 10% largest values. So we are done with plotting that. So now let me show you which value is nearer to the actual value. Actual value in our case is 375. So first of all, let me plot that. I'll just write plt dot plot. Just write 375 5 because we are taking constant values, and I'll represent it by, say, green triangle. So let us run it again. So we have 375 here. Now let me calculate the mean and median of this data. For that I'll import statistics. So it will be like plt dot plot. First value is statistics dot mean of the estimates, and the Y value is constant, that is 5. I'll represent it by, say, red dots. So let us do that, red dots. Run it again. So we have red dot here, that is the mean of the estimates, and the green dot here, that is the actual value. Let us also plot the median of the data. So I'll just write plt dot plot statistics dot median. I'll just write estimates. Take Y as constant and represented by blue square. Yes. So let us run it again. So as you can see that blue square, that is the median, it is here, and the mean, that is the red dot, that is nearer to the actual value, and blue square, that is the median, it is far away from the actual value. So actually it depends on the data. You have to calculate many aggregate measures like mean, trim mean and median of the data, and whichever aggregate measure is nearer to the actual value, you can take that. These kinds of experiments work on the aggregate measures. I hope this programming screencast was useful to you guys, and have a nice day. Happy learning. Thank you.